Okay, unboxing RAKK Mirug. Ito, kakadating lang, galing LAZADA. Spray muna. At ito na siya. So, fully wrapped from LAZADA. Oh, this is from ECPC. Ordered through LAZADA. Medyo mahirap. Sobrang sealed, as you can see. So there you go. Actually, mahirap siya. As you can see. Maliktarin ko na lang. Bahala na. And some plastic inside as well. As you can see, tempered glass. There you go. Tempered glass, may plastic, magnetic filter on top. Here's the inside. These are the cables for the power and the LED. There we go. We have 3 USB. There's a switch also for the LED on top. This will be for the power supply. So ayan, nabuksan na. Back part. This is my motherboard. Just Intel. Okay. That plate. Installing motherboard using screwdriver. Yeah. These are the freebies. Strap and some screws. So power supply on the bottom part. Actually, pinalitan ko na to. Pinalitan ko ng power supply, pero hindi ko na pinakita sa video. This is an old one. There you go. So 24 pin. Actually, hindi mo talaga ako techie. Search lang din ako sa YouTube. Alright, installing the fans. I only have 4 fans. So, yan. So, yung front part, nababaklas siya para install yung mga fans. 3 fans. 3 fans on front, 1 at the back, 2 on top. Bottom part, meron pa palang 2 fan. Right, putting the cables in. I'm using DVI. So yung mga mouse, keyboard. Back the case, plugging it in, switching it on, and more or less 2 hours ko i-install to. Trial and error kasi. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the like. Thank you.